The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a slimmer and lighter design, making it more comfortable to hold. With rounded corners and a reduced thickness of 8.2 millimeters, it offers a sleek and ergonomic grip, enhancing user experience while maintaining its robust titanium frame. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform, the Galaxy S25 Ultra delivers a 40% faster NPU, enabling advanced AI capabilities. From natural language processing to content-aware suggestions, this device enhances multitasking and personalizes user interactions like never before. Capture stunning landscapes with the new 50 MP ultrawide camera on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Equipped with next-gen AI Pro Visual Engine, it enhances image quality and offers 10-bit HDR video recording by default, setting a new standard for mobile photography. The 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display delivers stunning visuals with vivid FHD+ resolution. It offers a smooth, adaptive 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring seamless transitions whether you're gaming, browsing, or watching videos. With a peak brightness of 2500 nits, the screen remains clear and vibrant even under bright sunlight. The advanced triple camera system is led by a 50-megapixel main sensor with a variable aperture, f1.4 f4.0, allowing it to adapt effortlessly to different lighting conditions. It captures sharp, detailed photos and videos, complemented by a 40-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 12-megapixel periscope camera with 5.5's optical zoom for versatile photography options. The intuitive side-mounted AI button integrates seamlessly into daily use. It enables quick access to essential features such as toggling the flash, activating the AI assistant, or muting the device. These customizable gestures simplify multitasking and add convenience to your interactions with the phone. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra versus Huawei Mate 70 Pro. Both the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and Huawei Mate 70 Pro boast a stunning 6.9 inches display, but the S25 Ultra edges out with a slightly higher screen-to-body ratio of 92.5%, ensuring a more immersive viewing experience. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra takes the lead with a resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels, delivering a sharper and more vibrant visual experience compared to the Huawei Mate 70 Pro's 1316, 28 and 32 pixels. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's 200-megapixel main camera is a powerhouse for photography enthusiasts, offering incredible detail and versatility with its multiple lenses, while the Huawei Mate 70 Pro's 50-megapixel camera still delivers impressive quality but lacks the ultra-high resolution of its competitor. When it comes to video capabilities, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra shines with 8K recording at 30 FPS, allowing for cinematic quality, whereas the Huawei Mate 70 Pro offers 4K recording, which is solid but doesn't match the Ultra's potential for high-resolution video. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra features a 12-megapixel selfie camera, providing decent quality for self-portraits, while the Huawei Mate 70 Pro steps it up slightly with a 13-megapixel ultra-wide selfie camera, perfect for group shots. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro has a slightly larger 5500 mAh battery, which may offer longer usage times compared to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's 5000 mAh, making it a better choice for heavy users. Both devices offer impressive memory options, but the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra stands out with configurations up to 1 TB and an option for 16 GB of RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking and storage for extensive media. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm SM8750AB Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, providing top-tier performance, while the Huawei Mate 70 Pro's Kirin 9020 chipset offers solid performance but may lag behind in high-demand scenarios. Both devices feature a 120 Hz refresh rate, but the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X technology offers superior brightness and color vibrancy compared to the LTPO OLED of the Huawei Mate 70 Pro. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra combines a glass front and back with a titanium frame, offering a premium feel and durability, while the Huawei Mate 70 Pro opts for an aluminum alloy frame, which is sturdy but less luxurious. Both devices offer IP68 dust and water resistance, but the Huawei Mate 70 Pro takes it further with IP69, allowing it to withstand harsher conditions, making it the more rugged option. The Snapdragon 8 Elite in the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is known for its efficiency and power, while the Kirin 9020 in the Huawei Mate 70 Pro, although capable, may not match the raw performance of its competitor. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra features ultra-strong titanium and an always-on display, enhancing durability and usability, while the Huawei Mate 70 Pro offers adaptive refresh rates and Huawei Kunlun Glass 2 for added protection. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra incorporates advanced features like AI Google Gemini and Samsung DeX, enhancing user experience and productivity, while the Huawei Mate 70 Pro includes AI gestures and gaming optimizations, appealing to gamers and tech enthusiasts. With a price tag starting at $1,300, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra positions itself as a premium device, while the Huawei Mate 70 Pro offers a more budget-friendly option ranging from $900 to $1,100, making it an attractive alternative for value seekers.